2008 separated to my ex because he cheated on me 2 times. So that's why then past many years ago, I decided to file annul year 2020.
Mhm.
And finally, I'm happy because last year my annul are approved. I'm looking a
Ano
partner, a simple
work?
man. I want a good relationship, respect each other, honesty, faithful, and of course understanding.
Start the interview. Okay. So, question number one. Can you tell us your first name, your age, and where are you from in the Philippines?
Okay. I'm Flor, 43-year-old, single parents living in Dipolog City.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Now, can you tell me, Floor, a little bit about what life is it like in Dipolog?
Uh, at this time, I'm so many years I'm working agriculture, the on farm.
Mhm.
Because my family is working agriculture.
Okay, so you do have your own farm? Is that right?
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow, good. All right. Now, tell me, how was your dating been for you in Dipolog so far?
Nothing. I've been married year 2003, but suddenly, 2008 separated to my ex because he cheated on me 2 times. So that's why then, past many years ago, I decided to file annul year 2020.
Mhm.
And finally, I'm happy because last year my annul are approved,
Oh,
and
your
now I have a
annulment has been
freedom.
approved. Okay, all
Yep.
right. Well, that's good for you. Good to know. Now, can you tell me
Yeah.
why are you looking to date a foreigner?
I tried to looking foreigner because I'm tired single for so many years because since 2008 I'm still single until now. So I think this is the right time to looking someone because I have a freedom and I want my dream. I want a happy family. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's great to know. Um, Now I wanted to ask, do you prefer a relationship with a foreign man or Filipino?
Yes. Yes. Foreign. I
Can
have
you
a bad
tell me why?
experience of Filipino. Yeah, I had a bad experience of Filipino. Yeah, but then I'm looking a foreigner.
Okay, got it. So, what do you bring to the table in a relationship?
I want a good relationship. That's my always prayer. Yeah.
Okay, and what do you think you can also bring to the table? You want a good relationship, right? You mentioned. So, what else can you do to make that relationship work?
I want a good relationship, respect each other, honesty, faithful, and of course understanding. Yeah,
Okay.
and be kind always. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now, would you consider living abroad with your partner if we find you the
Oh
perfect
yes.
match?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, anytime.
Okay. And what are you looking for in a partner?
I'm looking a partner, a simple man. I don't like smoking and I don't like drunk. And I want a man believing in God. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, what's your idea of a romantic date?
Oh my God. Romantic dates, uh I like simple. Yeah,
You
I
like a
don't like
simple
I
romantic
don't
date?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Now, if a man wanted to win your heart, what what should he be doing or what should he do?
Of course I treat good and you know,
So, you want him to treat you good. Is that right?
yeah.
Okay. So how would your friends describe you in 3 words?
Friends,
Yeah, how would your friends describe you?
me about myself.
Yes.
I'm very simple woman. I don't like makeup. I like natural beauty and yeah, I'm very simple. Yeah.
Okay, got it. What are your habits or your passions?
I like hike my habits. I like hiking in the mountain and swimming in the pool.
Mhm.
Yeah. And
Okay.
cooking. That's important. Yeah.
And cooking. All right, good. So, for the right person, how soon are you ready to date?
Anytime, anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm ready.
great.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, thank you so much, Floor. That was really great.